So a number of my friends have asked me why I've supported N-acetylcysteine as a therapeutic for COVID-19. And I want to say right now, this was not a scientific discovery I came up with myself. There are a dozen laboratories who are supporting this and are promoting it, and there's a federal study going on with all the bells and whistles and controls. But they haven't come up with the results yet. Uh, the main thing for me was a personal experience. Normally, every year I get very, very sick because of my allergies and my asthma. And this year was no different. I ended up with a flu of some sort, not sure what kind. But whereas I would normally be completely sidelined with a racking, terrible cough that would keep me awake for weeks, I took the N-acetylcysteine, and within an hour of its administration, all of my symptoms, headache, body pain, coughing, sleeplessness, disappeared. It was the closest thing to waving a magic wand I've ever experienced in my life. And because I'm a scientist, I ended up examining this